Happy Saturday, everybody! Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders here. Special live Saturday evening here, 8:30 p.m. China time, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, 3:30 Israel time. Say hi, don't be shy. Who is with me on this special live? Special occasion, special live. Say hi, don't be shy. Who is with me? Come on, ladies and gentlemen, I know you are here. I see you. I see you out there. Don't be shy. Say hi, as always. Special live, ask me anything. Not just chart requests. Hi, Alad. Thank you very much for joining. I hope you have a nice Saturday so far. How is the weather? How is your Saturday so far? Come on, ladies and gentlemen, say hi, don't be shy, we are live. Hello, Iran, thank you very much for joining, taking the time and joining me. Wait, I have this annoying verification. Let me clear that. We are clear. Shabbat shalom, Shabbat shalom. Thank you very much. By the way, if you still didn't saw, and if you still don't know, Fibonacci-Traders YouTube channel. We have long weekend. Hi offer. Thank you very much for joining. We are having a long weekend in the stock market. Good Friday. So if you still didn't saw, we have the weekly review. Posted yesterday. Today also posted another video. Is it over for Palantir? So if you still didn't saw it, watch it. And more videos coming up during this weekend. More videos coming up later this Saturday. More videos coming up tomorrow, Sunday. And maybe more videos coming up before Monday's opening bell. We still have top stocks videos coming up. I already have the video recorded. So make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, so you won't miss any future videos. Who is with me? Say hi, don't be shy. Can you explain what other things you consider before taking swing if the signal is the same? What do you mean? What do you mean? I can explain how I prepare for, let's say I don't have the FTI, okay? First, so make sure, this is me here. So just make sure, before we continue, subscribe to the Fibonacci-Traders Discord, the YouTube channel, so you won't miss any future videos. First, I have this general list. You see this list? 795 names and the general list. Okay? Hi Doron, thank you very much. The FTI signal is what? Is the same. First, let's talk about how I prepare. Why I'm not live? Now I'm live? Okay, now I'm live. Okay, first, I have all this general list. 700, or let's say 800 names, okay? Every weekend, I go over all these 800 names like this. One by one, like this. You need to shut up. Sorry, I'm talking about myself. I go over like this, one by one, like this. Tuck, 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 tuck. Nothing special. Just my eyes are already trained. Okay, it all comes down to screen time. So if you're asking yourself, do I use screener? No, I don't. I have 800 names. I have the SPY 500. I have the Qs. I have top holdings of the IWM and more. which all combines around 800 names. Every weekend I go like this, one by one, on the daily and the weekly. I start with the weekly, like this. Why? More easy on the eye, less noise. I go like this, one by one. Then I see an interesting name. Let's say Wolf, W-O-L-F. So I mark it. Okay, like this. I tag it, I flag it with. Then I go on the same screen, same stocks that I flagged with a different color. I go on the daily. So I have MTTR, I have Wolf, RDFN, I have F. This is how I go. This is how I screen my stocks. You don't have to use screener. Use your eyes, train your eyes. Now, I put alerts. I don't care what the FTI gives me or not. The FTI is another screener, if you want, that we use on our Discord. Okay, we have this channel over here. You know it, Iran. The FTI is another screener, okay? It doesn't mean that if I get a signal from the FTI, automatically I go long or go short or anything. If the FTI gives me a signal, I check it. Same as I check everything else. I don't do anything automatically. I check. Maybe it suits me, maybe it doesn't. So this is how I take long, this is how I take short, this is how I day trade, this is how I swing trade. First of all, me. What suits me? And it doesn't matter if it's the FTI or anything else. Even if I have an alert, let's say MOS. I have an alert. Go long above 3260. If this alert will set off, let's say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, doesn't matter, sometime next week, this alert will set off. It still doesn't mean that I will take this long automatically. It depends. First, how is the market overall? I will check the SPY. I check the SPY. Okay, I check the IWM to see what's the general sentiment all over the market. Then, how many open positions I already have. If I have, let's say, already 6, 7, maybe 8 swing positions open already, I will not take another one. And it doesn't matter that I can miss this MOS from 32, it can reach all the way to 35, 38, okay? It can give me 15% potential. I will not take it because I have more open positions already. So I hope it answers your questions. I hope. I do hope. If not, ask me again. How is life in China? In one word. Comfortable. Super, super comfortable. Especially as a foreigner. We have everything that we need as foreigners. We don't care about China politics. It doesn't concern us by any way, by any means. Life is super easy. I have 2 girls, born and raised here. My wife is not Chinese, is also Israeli. Both of my girls, born here, raised here. Both are going to international school. They both speak Chinese fluently, of course also Hebrew fluently. They both speak and can understand English almost fluently. And my daughters are 9 and 5. The big one already reads and writes in Chinese. her essay in Chinese, 300 words in Chinese, characters. It's not words. In China, it's not they don't have alphabet, okay? In Chinese language, they don't have alphabet. It's called characters. You have, I think, around 500 characters in the Chinese language, and every two characters means, every character means different word, and every two characters combined is another word, and every three characters combined is another word. And my daughter, who is 9 years old, just wrote an essay, 300 characters. She just got herself into a competition, one of the best here in the city that we live in. Overall, super comfortable. There is no politics, no outside noise. So we can really, really live. We work. My wife works. I work. You see me. I work. I trade. I trade overnight. Okay? China time is 12 hours ahead of New York time, which means when the market opens 9:30 a.m. New York time, it's here in China, it's already 9:30 p.m. So I'm working from 9:30 p.m. until 4 a.m. China time. Then I go to sleep. I wake up around 10:30 a.m. my time, and I start recording the YouTubes, and then I start preparing for the next trading day. And sometimes I also have almost 3-4 times a week, I have students from Israel, I have students from the United States. So we work. We work pretty hard. Same as everybody else in the world. But it's super comfortable. In a heartbeat, I can order everything from the local supermarket. Everything that I want. It will arrive my house in about between 20 minutes up to maximum 1 hour. And I have all the groceries that I want in the front of my door. If I want, not only groceries, everything that, if I want blanket, if they have in the local supermarket, blankets, pillows, anything that you have in the local supermarket, it's a big one. I can order from the app, everything. There is no cash. In China, everything is through payment apps. We have two payments apps. We have the WeChat and we have the Alipay. The WeChat is more common. Super easy. It's like WhatsApp. It's like all the apps, the WeChat, it's everything you can imagine. All the apps combined. It's like the Chinese WhatsApp, it's the Chinese payments, everything, rent, groceries, gas stations, I don't know, insurance, health insurance, car insurance, everything that you can imagine. It's through the WeChat, all payments, delivery, everything in one app. If you want to buy something from the groceries, from the local, I don't know, you want to order flowers, you want to buy something for the house, you want to order a new table for the house, everything through WeChat, everything. Super easy, super comfortable life. What else? What else? Hi, Do. Thank you very much for joining. Zudado. Super nice to see you also, my friend. Let's do live stock picking like you do at the weekend. Find some interesting options. ARKT for shorts. You also have website like Amazon. It's it's called Taobao. You have everything there. It's under Alibaba Group, Taobao. It's like Amazon combined with Shopify, combined with eBay. Also, Taobao, you can order everything and it will arrive to the step of your door, to your doorstep within 24 to 72 hours from anywhere in China. And China is big, okay? Driving from my town to the southern border of China, driving is around 14-15 hours drive straight, if you drive straight. Hi Samsung, good morning there in Boston. How is Saturday for you? Yeah, it's a surprise. Long weekend, missed you guys. So I said, why not do live? Let's check relocation. Yeah, China's pretty good. Thailand also pretty good. Hi Shachar, thank you very much for joining. Sun is out. Also here, Samsung, also here. Pretty hot today. Today it was around 30 degrees Celsius. Mid-noon. Now it's around 21. Summer is here. Finally. I'm a summer guy. I'm not a winter guy, and winter's here where I live. Pretty rough. Pretty rough. +2. You can go to the beach. Up there in Boston. Thank you, Shachar. Let's check. What do we have running now? Bitcoin on the 4 hours, basically moving sideways, as you can see. Ethereum trying to break above this blue trend line. What do you prefer? The blue pill or the red pill? The blue pill, same as Morpheus said, you take the blue pill and you stay in Wonderland. You take the red pill and I will show you the sky. Who can quote Morpheus? What Morpheus said to Neo: take the red pill, take the blue pill. No, never dealt with options. Never. Tried. Maybe I will try it again. Maybe soon. You need a state of mind, because the things I'm dealing now working pretty good for me. So why try something else? The reward in options are pretty big. But also the downside. Always protect your downside. You're looking for the green pill. We are in green pill. Right? What do we have? The SPY. Uptrend. Qs. Sideways move. Dow Jones. Uptrend. Look at the Q. Not the Q. The Dow, sorry. Double top. Careful. You have this gap over here. And then back to the 387. IWM looking pretty good. Right? Pretty good. I like you liked it, Samsung. The PLTR video, if for the late ones, for those who are late. This is the Fibonacci-Traders YouTube. Many videos came out already, many videos coming up also during today and tomorrow and before Monday's opening bell, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell for the YouTube Fibonacci-Traders YouTube channel. We had already the weekly review over here. We had Palantir. Is it over? What do you think? Ladies and gentlemen, is it over for Palantir? See the video, super interesting video. And of course, we have already 3,800 subscribers, almost 1,000 videos. And we have the playlist. We have the Fibonacci Academy playlist over here. 39 videos on how to become a better trader on the technical side and on the psychology behind trading. One more video coming up later today. Do you have any questions regarding not chart requests? I don't mind to do chart requests, but we do chart requests every day, right? Let's do chart requests. Your wish is my command. ARCT. What is ARCT? Arcutis Biotherapeutics. Arcutis, I love the name, by the way. Arcutis Biotherapeutics. If you can say this name, Arcutis Biotherapeutics, 3 times in a row, quick, record yourself, say it quick, 3 times in a row, and I will give you 1 month free membership, gold membership in the Fibonacci Discord. You can record it and send me to my email. Who asked for this? Who asked for Arcutis Biotherapeutics? Tamir, record yourself saying this 3 times in a row. Fast. Arcutis Biotherapeutics. Arcutis like this. Send me to my email and I will give you 1 month free gold membership in the Fibonacci Discord. What do you want here? What is, first let's check the volume. Can we be serious, guys? 3.7 million. Why short? Tamir, why short? What do you see here? Why short? I see long. Basically, I see more long continuation than short. You want to go short, it's short-term short. As long as you're below the upper blue trend line, you can go short. No problem. Just manage your risk. How? Use ATR. You don't know how to use the ATR? Go to the Fibonacci Academy playlist. There is a special video on how to use ATR. But as long as price is below the upper blue line, you are good to go short. If it breaks to the upside, take Fibonacci. You can use also Fibonacci as your stop loss below the blue trend line, and now your stop loss should be 1035. Breaking above the blue trend line, you have all the resistance for future price action. That's it. ARM. Iran, you want me to go over 900 names now? ARM. Basically nothing. You have this area. You have this area. Support. Resistance. Below. Short. First to the 24. To the 94.20. And then to the 77.75. By the way, before I forget, go to here, to the Fibonacci Traders Discord. Go to here. Okay? For the Hebrew speaking viewers, go to here. You have a special poll just for you. Maybe from coming Monday, I will start one day doing a pre-market in Hebrew, the next day pre-market in English. So if we start Monday and Wednesday pre-market in Hebrew, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday I rarely do pre-market. So Monday and Wednesday pre-market in Hebrew, Tuesday and Thursday pre-market in English. But if you really want pre-market in Hebrew, first I want to see those subscribers on my YouTube channel, and I want to see here. Go to here. You have a poll. I want to see these numbers rising up. Otherwise, I will rethink it. I'm doing it for you. If you want, you go to the Fibonacci Traders here. First, you go here. You subscribe to my channel. I want to see those subscribers rising up. Bring friends, bring family, bring anyone you see on the street. I don't care. I want to see these subscribers numbers going up. Then go to the Discord, poll, vote. So ARM, long continuation above the 148, short below the, you can start also from here, long, from 133 towards 148, short below the 121, towards the 94, and then this gap at the 77. What else do we have? AMC for short. AMC is short since, I don't know, 2020. Short. Just short. Short is stock. Always. Not in financial advice, but look. Do you see long? I see only short. Until it will erase. Same as Fisker. AMC is on the path as Fisker. Where to? To the yellow line. Around 280. Take Fibonacci. From here to here. See? Below 355, 260. Together with this trend line to the downside. You are good to go short. Of course, everything you see in here is not a financial advice. Nothing here is financial advice. Nothing. What else do we have? What should happen when the CEO buy the what? 5 million shirts. What are you talking about, Dado? 5 million shorts, maybe. It means he's not, I don't know, doesn't believe in his own company. LUV. Any questions regarding technical analysis, how to become a better trader, how to manage this, how to manage that, not just chart requests? I don't mind to do chart requests, but it's Saturday. It's pretty boring. LUV entry price above 29.50, maybe 20, above 30. Swing low, swing high. You have everything on your chart. You see? Here. Above Friday's highs. Go long. And then you have this gap over here. What should happen? Okay, we talked about MU for Alon. Thank you very much, Alon, for joining this. MU, basically nothing. Nothing much. Let's see. You see, look the weekly. Trend lines, ladies and gentlemen. It's all about those trend lines. This here. This here. See? Two highs makes a trend line. Where price is now? Trying to break above the higher trend line. Where to? Don't guess. You have Fibonacci. Long continuation above 119.34, and then you will see 153. Just ask Fibonacci. RKK. RKK. Nothing much. See, I have an alert over here. For some reason, it's too high. All this area, resistance. And this area over, let's say over here, support. That's it. Now you know what to do. I want to remove this one. You know what to do? Long above, short below. Next support, 44.84. Next resistance, 44.50. Always look left, where price came from. high probability it will go back to the same areas. This is my 2 cents on ARK K. What do you think about MSTR after the short news? What short news? I didn't saw any short news. What happened to MSTR MicroStrategy? Went back 3 days back. Nothing. For now, if look at this. Technical analysis always comes before any news. Look, trend line. Every time MSTR reaches this yellow trend line, what happens to her? It's getting rejected. Surprising it got rejected once again? No. You have a double bottoms, double top scenario? Yes. Below Friday's low, you will see 1433. And then 1200. Below 1200, you have all these gaps over here. You have also Fibonacci. Below 1583, 1317, then 1018, this gap, and back to 6070. Will it happen? Not sure. Be prepared for anything. Anything. What is the trend regarding cannabis? You have MJ. Basically, looks good. Weekly with a doji. I want to see breaking above the 436. You have this kind of double bottom scenario. You see here this ball from down to up. Now let's see continuation above last week's highs, and then you will see 420 here, sorry, here 475, and then yes, 570 and 650. MSOS. MSOS basically same. What do you see on the weekly? Uptrend, right? All this area, super tough resistance. If you want to learn how to do it by yourself, check the links in the description below. All this area from support broke to the downside. Always look left. Look left, multi-time frames. Try to identify major support and resistance area. This area, the 10 between all this yellow box, was a very important area of support. Broke to the downside December 22, and since then failed to break above. So long on MSOS, by natural things of price action, we need to wait for at least 2-3 days above the yellow zone, and then we can make our Fibonacci swing low, swing high above the yellow zone. You will see 13 and maybe even 17. Patience. Patience in trading is a virtue. What else? You need to try. Try what? Okay, what about Google? Google, I have the stock market review. Lena, thank you very much. You are more than welcome to check it out. Snow, and we have a good news. Snow. What about snow? Let's do Google for Lena. Lena, we did not see yet the stock market review. Google, what do you see? You can add FTI, this amazing tool that gives you everything. One click away, it can be yours. The FTI gives you everything. It gives you support, resistance based on Fibonacci. It gives you here bullish or bearish on multi-time frames. In Google's case, it's bullish on all time frames. You see on the 65, on the 4 hours, 240 minutes is the 4 hours, daily, weekly, bullish, long continuation. You are still inside an uptrend channel above the yellow zone. 150 needs to hold, otherwise back to the yellow zone, long continuation above the 155, and then you will see 170 to the upside. What else do we have? Snow. Nothing on snow, ladies and gentlemen. Leave it be. Let it be. You're in downtrend. You see, the FTI gives you everything. Sell signal, downtrend. Below 151, you will see 139 and then 131 to the downside. This is the FTI's 2 cents on snow. One click away, and this amazing tool can be yours on the chart. Tamir, because of weekly resistance. What did we talk about, Tamir? What did we talk about? I don't remember. It's Saturday. About ARC-T. Weekly? What did you have on the weekly? But for now, first mixed signals, daily, uptrend. You have a doji on the weekly. After 3 red weeks, you have a doji. Doji basically is the most significant signal of a trend reversal. So you have 3 candles to the downside. Now with the doji, most probably you are going up from here, at least to the 11. You see, look at the 11 area, super tough resistance. And you have here, maybe something like this over here, same price action you saw over here, you will get over here. So maybe short to 8. Below last week's lows, below the 880, you can go short all the way to 8. Does it worth it? I'm not sure. Do your own due diligence. And you have the bull pattern. You see the bull pattern? You see the bull? The horns? And the bull, look. You have here the eyes and the bull smiling. Right? This is the bull pattern. No, just kidding. Everybody sees patterns the way they want. Just follow price. Use Fibonacci and trend lines. Roku, D-Dog. Hi, Faiz. How are you? How do you? Ido. If it was in English, it will be much easier, Ido. Do like this. Here. This is my Fibonacci. My Fibonacci settings. So you can pause it now. And just copy it. Hi Faiz. Yes, short of course. Thanks, champ. Thank you. D-Dog for Oz. Roku for Omer. Tamir, how did you get to China? And do you intend to stay and live there for the next decade? Ooh! Do the first. How did I get to China? Sorry? With a plane. How did you like it? No, but seriously, job opportunity this month, March 2012. It's 12 years already. I'm living in China with my wife, Israeli. We had 2 kids here, 2 daughters. The big one is 9, the small one is 5. We are already here 12 years. And as I told you, life is pretty comfortable, but we are always looking for the next step, which is pretty rough to do. Think about it, staying 12 years in the same place. So even if we go back, I don't know, to Israel or if we move to Thailand or any other country in the world, it's doing relocation all over again with 2 kids. It's pretty rough decision. So would I stay here another decade? I would go short on this. Probably not. So if you want, you can short on my another decade stay in China. And so no, not another decade, no. But it's a pretty tough decision that I can share with you. We're talking about this decision whether we should leave or not for almost 3 years now. 3 years since COVID ended also here in China around 2-3 years ago. 2 years. COVID also, they opened the gates, they opened the borders here in China, everything back in normal. We are thinking about it almost 2 years. Every day, same conversation. Should we? Would we? Where to? And how? So no, another decade for sure, no. SQ, snow we talked about. ARCT, no, I didn't see. SE. What else, ladies and gentlemen? Ask like Dudu, why do you need chart requests? Put the FTI on your chart. Look, you want SE? Look, SE. No FTI? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Long, short, put the FTI. What do you see? Bearish, right? Bearish. So what do? No long. Until you have at least 3 bullish signals. 3 out of 4 green lines, green here, you can go long. But now it's 3 out of 4 bearish. So is it time to go long on SE? No. That's it. This is why I developed this tool, the FTI. Based on my experience, on my knowledge, everything that surrounds Fibonacci, everything is Fibonacci. The support, resistance, you have here, you can adjust on the time frames that you want to trade. You have here, this is the trend lines, also based on Fibonacci ratios. That's it, one click away. You don't need to ask me, you have the FTI. Put the FTI on your chart, ask him. It's the same as asking me. That's it. Snow, SQ, same thing. SQ with the FTI, without the FTI. Look, without the FTI, should I go long? Should I go short? You have but you have a gap over here. But we are here in a resistance. What to do? What to do? Put the FTI. Bullish on all time frames. Uptrend. You want to go long? You're good to go long. That's it. Just manage your risk. And the FTI also helps you manage risk, manage stop loss, manage your open positions. If I go long now on SQ, where should I put my stop loss? You don't need to think too much. You have the FTI. This green line, this green label, this is your stop loss. That's it. Super easy. Super easy. It's not easy to become a profitable trader. But this is why I invented the FTI. At least the technical part now becomes much, much more easier. Thank you, Tamir. Thailand? Yeah, I love Thailand. Who doesn't love Thailand? If you were in Thailand and you found it not lovable, on the scale of 1 to 10, at least 8, there's nothing wrong in Thailand. You should check yourself. Thailand, in my opinion, is one of the best places today to live there and also raise children. Yes, also to raise children. They have everything there. Depends where you live. Same as any country in the world. Depends where you live. And of course, depends on your income. What else do we have? Any other questions? D-Dog. How about those likes, ladies and gentlemen? Likes, subscribes. I might come to Israel soon. Maybe in May, if not in May, so in end of June, I will come to Israel. Maybe we'll do a gathering. What do you say? What else do we have? Like, subscribe. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. It's Saturday and I'm live with you. D-Dog. Good FTI, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not trying to sell it to you. I just want your life to be easier. You're here. You're asking me. You don't need to. Because once you have the FTI on your chart, it's like asking me every day on every chart that you want. Think about, you have me sitting next to you on your trading desk, trading station, and you ask me, hey Tamir, what do you think about D-Dog? Hey Tamir, what do you think about SE? Hey Tamir, what do you think about, I don't know, Tesla? Hey Tamir, what do you think about Palantir? You have the FTI. The FTI is me. Think about the FTI as Tamir in AI. It's the FTAI. If I put an AI on it, it will be more convincing. Just put it on your chart. Super easy. D-Dog, bearish. Nothing much on D-Dog. You want to go long? Above the yellow zone, above the 131. And of course, once you join, and if you join the subscription for the FTI, we have a special room for support only for the FTI users. So if you have any question, you have support, guidance from me, of course, on the FTI. So you will be I don't know how to say it. Just use it. That's it. Ethe for Amir. Just look at the Ethereum. What do you see about the Ethereum? Still in a downtrend, trying to bounce out from this blue line. So Ethe will be the same, right? If you're trading an ETF, check the main security that this ETF is following. Bearish, look. Bearish. Nothing much. Only above the 28.50. So, should we wrap this live? Any other questions? Any other requests? Hit the notification bell. I tell you, more super interesting videos coming up until Monday's opening bell. You don't want to miss them. You don't. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Is it possible to use the FTI through the Discord without the trading view or trading view? Yeah, the FTI is an instrument based on the trading view. It's not in the Discord. What you have in the Discord is an FTI special channel that the FTI gives you signals according information I put inside. I gave him defined variables, predefined watch list, and he just give it automation signals. But the tool itself, the FTI itself, you need the trading view. Also, the free version of the trading view, it's working. The free version. If you want, I will put a link. Join. You can always, if you want, you have this link, the FTI with all the Discord channels, and you have this one, only the FTI. Choose one, choose two, choose anything that you want. It's subscription. You can always, if you don't find it helpful, after 1 month, cancel it. It's 30 days. It's not a monthly subscription. It's 30 days. From if you start today, it counts 30 days from today. So you don't need to wait for the beginning of the month. So any other questions? Any other requests? If not, thank you very much for joining this special live. I hope you found it helpful, educational. I had a blast. So just let me know. Go to the Fibonacci-Traders Discord. Vote live, pre-market live, Monday and Wednesday in Hebrew. Yes or no? It's up to you, ladies and gentlemen. It's only up to you. So once again, thank you very much for joining this live. And have a great rest of the weekend. Ciao.